Guys, today we're taking a look at something that could solve a very real problem, and that's getting video from one device to another screen without running any cables. Now, this is the LLano wireless video transmitter and recorder, and the idea is pretty simple. You plug in a small transmitter to either your phone, laptop or camera, you plug the receiver into a TV, a monitor, a projector or something like that, and your screen appears wirelessly. No apps, no network setup, no complicated pairing. But the real question is, does it actually work properly? And is there any lag? So if you want to find out whether this is genuinely a useful piece of kit or just another gadget that sounds great on paper, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, today we're taking a look at the LLano wireless video transmitter and recorder. And the idea behind this is actually quite interesting. So instead of running HDMI cables across a room or trying to mess around with screencasting and network connections, this bad boy creates a direct wireless video link between your source device and your display. For example, you could plug the transmitter into your laptop in one room and have the receiver connected to a TV somewhere else. And the video appears on the screen almost instantly. I've actually tested this between two rooms in the house, right? From a Mac in the office to a TV in the lounge. And I've got to say, it's pretty impressive how seamless that connection is. Now guys, before we get into it, LLano did send this over for me to take a look at and for me to give you my honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. First up guys, open up the box and we have some documentation. We have an HDMI to HDMI cable, which is pretty chunky but feels like decent quality. Then we have a USB-A to USB-C cable. This is fabric coated, which is always nice to see because that way it's going to be pretty sturdy and should hold up well over time. And then of course we have the two main pieces of the system. We've got the transmitter and we've got the receiver. Now the transmitter is the smaller of the two and is labeled TX. And the receiver is slightly larger and labelled RX, so no confusion there. Both devices feel pretty solid in the hand, and you know what, it's fairly minimal design. So guys, looking at the receiver, and on the bottom you've got a rubber grip, which keeps it stable on your desk or surface. Around the sides we've got a few ports. There's a USB-C port for power and an HDMI output. And interestingly, there are also 3.5mm microphone and headphone ports. And this is because the unit can actually handle recording as well as wireless transmission, which, you know what, adds a bit of flexibility depending on how you're going to use it. Now, the transmitter is even smaller and lighter, and this has got a built-in USB-C connector, so you can plug it straight into devices like laptops, phones, or tablets. And there's also a USB-C port on the side to supply power if needed. So guys, from a hardware perspective, this is actually a very simple system. Now, let's talk about how it works. Now, setup is actually plug and play, which is pretty nice. For example, with a laptop, you simply plug the transmitter into the USB-C port, connect the receiver to your TV using HDMI, power the receiver via USB-C, and that is pretty much it. And once powered, the receiver shows a small indicator light, and within seconds the connection is established. Now if you mirror the display, the entire laptop screen appears on the TV, or you can configure it as an extended display, which is actually quite useful. I also tested it with a mobile phone, in this case my iPhone, and again it's just plug and play. Plug the transmitter into the USB-C port and the connection happens automatically. And I've got to say, the performance is surprisingly good. Video playback is smooth, there's no obvious lag, But the thing that impressed me the most was the range. Even between two separate rooms, the video signal stayed stable and responsive, which makes this genuinely useful for things like presentations, meetings, live demos, content creation setups, or just streaming something from a laptop to a TV without cables everywhere. So guys, there you have it. The LLano video wireless transmitter and recorder is actually a really practical little device. The biggest strengths here are the plug and play setup, the stable wireless connection, and the fact that you don't need any software or network configuration to get it working. It's also extremely lightweight and portable, which means you can easily throw it into a bag or take it with you for presentations or meetings. And in testing, the wireless transmission was surprisingly stable even over a decent distance. And guys, at the time of this video going live, this bad boy is actually available on Kickstarter. So check out the page for the latest deals. I'll leave any links in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to LLano for sending me this cool wireless video transmitter and recorder to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.